Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw TKO from OKKO Let's Be Heroes. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and it's gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna start out with his eye, so it's just gonna be two big circles. So just have them touching each other. Okay, and then from there we can draw in the eyelid. So in the middle here, we just kind of slant upward slightly. And for his eyes, and I'm just gonna have him kind of looking to the side a little bit. And then his nose, small little box in there. And now we'll draw in his mouth down here. And he's got one fang coming out. Now we can close off his face. So right here, this curve down here, just start here and just draw like a little curve like this. So it's almost the same curve as that. Okay, and then when it comes down here, just kind of draw a line. And then now we just kind of close it off. So just kind of continue the nice curve. Just a little bit flatter. So now let's draw in his hair. So right here where we came down, it's gonna be just give it two little strands. And then we're gonna start here, right across from his eye right here, we're gonna draw one big curve coming out. So just hook that in, and we're gonna draw one more here. And then let's go back up, because we're gonna draw the other ones before we draw it up on the bottom. So we're gonna curve up. Come down, and now we're gonna draw one big one over here. Okay, so it's going across quite a bit, and we're gonna come back. Okay, so now we're gonna draw one big one going down, come back up, and one more. Okay, then one more coming down, and we can just come back up somewhere around there. Okay, so it's a little bit, could be a little bit tricky. But we need to draw in his eyebrow here. So his eyebrow is just gonna be a mean brow. So we can just draw in a line like that. All right, so let's move on to his body. So this one's pretty easy. Just start out right around here, come down, and just kind of give it a slight curve. And then we're gonna go all the way across. And we're gonna curve it back up. Just kind of stop short a little bit, because we're gonna draw his arms first. So for his arm, just gonna draw one curve. And then we'll continue that, just kind of go out. And then here. Okay, so we're just giving this line some thickness here. And close it off, and just give it one section. It's got a little spiked wristband here, and then for his spike, so we're just drawing two corners on the side and one in the middle, adding a little dot there, and then we'll just close it off for his fist. Okay, so it's nice and simple, and we're gonna draw the other arm now. So we're gonna come down right around the same area, and then here we're gonna come down, close it off, and again we get just the little armband or wristband, spiked, one more in the middle, and then his fist. Okay, so let's add in some detail to his clothing, which is really simple. So down here, just kind of curve it up, and then just go all the way up. And then on this side, it's gonna be a little bit tighter. So we're gonna start here, just come down and just kind of curve it. And then for his pants right here, we just come across. And then his shirt, just one curve across. And then his chest area, just add a little line. So really funny looking, but cool character. Alright, so for his legs, it's gonna be really easy. Just gonna draw 2 lines, round it off. Same thing on this side. Start from here, round it off. And now for his foot. And this is super easy. Just gotta go out. And then for the toes, we just draw 2 lines like that. Same thing on this side. And then let's divide it up. This is his short. And then this is, I guess, his leg warmers. And that is it for this Turbo KO. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time.